Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special in store for you. The Energizer Connect Smart 1080p HD Outdoor Security Socket Camera. This weatherproof camera boasts some impressive features, including remote access, motion alerts, two-way audio, and night vision. Stick around as we dive into the details. Our first point of focus is the camera's high-definition capability. With 1080p HD quality, you can capture every detail in pristine clarity, no matter the time of day. The camera's pan and tilt feature allow for a 355-degree horizontal and 48-degree vertical viewing angle, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Next up is night vision. This camera is equipped with 4 LED lights and 4 IR lights that automatically adjust to the lighting conditions. You can see in color at night or switch to black and white in total darkness, providing you with round-the-clock surveillance. Now, let's talk about the two-way audio feature. This is a game-changer. You can listen and talk to anyone in front of the camera using the built-in microphone and speaker. Plus, there's even a siren alarm option to deter potential intruders. Moving on to storage options, you have the choice between cloud storage with a complimentary 30-day trial or using a micro SD card for local recording. It's all about flexibility to suit your preferences. The camera is 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi compatible, which is the most common Wi-Fi frequency, making it easy to connect to your network. Please note that it doesn't support 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Installation is a breeze. You can simply fit this camera into any E26 light bulb socket, making it a versatile and user-friendly choice for homeowners. With the Energizer Connect app on your smartphone or tablet, you can access the camera remotely, view live streams, and play back recorded content. It's all about staying connected and in control. This camera is brought to you by GEM Connected IoT and was first made available on November 3, 2023. To wrap things up, the Energizer Connect Smart 1080p HD Outdoor Security Socket Camera is a reliable and versatile choice for anyone looking to enhance their security. With its high-definition video, night vision, two-way audio, and flexible storage options, it's packed with features to keep you protected. Plus, the ease of installation and remote access through the Energizer Connect app make it a user-friendly option. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this camera, please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.